Hey guys, and welcome to the replay. Hey friends, how are you? Looks like I'm live, hooray. Hi Gabriella. Oopsie. Just putting my website in. There it goes. Hi Cindy, hi Christina, hi Sandy, hi Angela, hi Autumn, hi Deanna. How you guys doing? Hi Donna. Hi. Oh my goodness, I have been going crazy. Hi Sandy, hi Donna. Hi Deanna. I've been going crazy town. We're trying to get things together. Hi Missy. Hello Angela. Hi Amanda Jo. How are you? Hi Julie. So tonight I'm going to be playing with a little something. I'm in crazy late tonight, which is, well, you know, it's the story of my life. I'm always like last minute doing things, you know. There it goes. Okay, I think I'm okay now. Hi Lori, hi Timmy, hi Beverly, hi Jess. Hi Lourdes, hi Julie. Hi Catherine, hi Missy, how are you guys? As you're coming in, bottom left hand side of your mobile device, where's my finger? Bottom left hand side of your mobile device is a share button. If you're not a chalk couture designer, I would love it if you'd share my video. Having my own sip and chalk tonight. Boys are on a golf cart ride. So, I'm enjoying a little wine. Hi Denise, hi Belinda. Thanks for joining me. So I am pretty excited. I am going to be playing with the Gather Here with Grateful Hearts transfer. I haven't played with this yet, but you guys know I am super excited about getting ready for fall. I don't know why, because I'm a beach girl. We know this. Hi Diane, hi Kristen, hi Belinda, hi Denise. But I got fall on my mind. I'm like crazy excited about this one. It says Gather Here with Thankful Hearts. And I found this super cute little, I want to use it as like a lazy Susan, if you will. I'm going to add a little something on the bottom of it to make it spin. And I just thought it would be nice for my Thanksgiving decor, or my fall decor. Hi Nikki, hi Kristen. Yay, no work tomorrow, Angela. That's awesome. Oh, nice, Missy. That's awesome. Hi, Cheryl. So, yes, I think I'm going to play with this tonight. Now, you might be saying, what the heck is she talking about? What is this? What's she playing with? So, for those of you who do not know what chalk couture is, here's a little something for you. This is chalk couture. I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff together while you read that. Hi, Sonia. Aw, thanks, Debbie. How are you, girl? Thanks for joining tonight. Thanks. I love when I see my friends. And I'm in a little late, too. So, I mean, I have to keep remembering this. It's not late on the West Coast. It's only 7:21. On the East Coast, it's 10:21. So, it's late. It's late. So, alrighty. Now, let's go ahead and get started, huh? So everywhere you see these white lines, these are cut lines. So I am only interested in cutting out the Gather Here with Thankful Hearts. So that's all I'm cutting out tonight. I'm going to go right along my cut lines and cut this little puppy out. And I don't cut straight at all. Now, here was my little dilemma with this. But I don't really think it's a dilemma. Hi, Kyle. Hi, Tracy. Hi, Christina. Hi, Karen. Hi, Bria. Oh, my gosh, Nikki, I'm so excited. I'll have to check it out. Go, girl. That is so awesome. I'm so proud of you. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'm having a little, hi, Christy, a little dilemma with this guy here. let's zoom in a little bit. Gather is already on this, right? So I'm thinking I want to do maybe, since Gather's already there, do Here with Thankful Hearts, but it's not the same font. So what do we do? What's a girl to do? Hi, Nikki. Hi, Tracy. Shall we? Oh, Debbie, you're so sweet. Oh, I love you, girl. What do we vote on? Do we redo the Gather Here with Thankful Hearts, or do we just go with the Gather that's on the top? I want to hear what you guys have to say. Let's hear. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Christy. So let me see it in the comments below. What do we think? Do we want to stick with the Gather on there already? Or should I cover it with like for real flowers? I have those Sola wood flowers. I don't know. I have yet to use them. You guys know I don't do flowers. I might even just stick a pumpkin right there. I think that would actually be the cutest thing. Just hot glue a little pumpkin on there. And then just do, I think that's it. I think I kind of answered my, I think I answered my own dilemma. Hi, Angie. Did I say hi already? I can't remember. I think that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to glue a little, go with the Gather that. Go with the Gather that's already on here, or cover it up with a pumpkin then. That's what we're going to go with now. Pumpkin. Hi, Tracy. The one on the top. Okay, Karen, now that I said, though, the pumpkin, do you like that idea better? Hi, Debbie. Can you start with here and leave the Gather at the top? I totally could. Hi, Jen. Sola. Yes. Hi, Mary. Cover with pumpkin. Okay, so far we've got a cover with pumpkin. I kind of like the mix of the two different fonts, but also like the idea of the pumpkin. Oh, if you can cover it. Okay, we're going to cover it. What's on the back side? There is nothing on the back side, but it's also just blank. So we're not going to go that. Okay, so we're going to cover with a little pumpkin. I have an idea too. Here's going to be some... So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pretend that Brandon's corn muffin is a pumpkin, but it's going to be a little bigger, so it'll cover it up. Oh, all right. Yes, I'm losing my mind tonight. Can you tell I'm tired? Can you guys tell I'm exhausted? All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to pretend that that's a little pumpkin, and we're going to go that route. Do you guys like the corn muffin? All right, so we have Gather Here. We're going to label the back. And the reason we label the back is because our transfers are reusable over and over and over again. So, hi, Mary Beth. How are you? So we have it labeled on the back. Hi, Linda Davis Rose. We're going to move the pumpkin, a.k.a. corn muffin, out of the way for now. And we're going to go ahead. Michelle Hillick, how are you, girl? All right, so, hi. Oh, Debbie Birmingham is back. Or it's just my thing is very slow. Hi, Robin. Oh my gosh, you were? So I bought a set of them when they had like, what holiday was it? Memorial Day. First of all, not bashing the company by any means, but it took me like almost a month to get them. I don't like waiting. So I haven't used them yet. They're sitting in the bag. I actually have a few underneath my little table here. Hi, Danielle. So yeah. I don't know. I was a little turned off by that. But I did get a kick butt sign. You like that, Christy? Corn muffin pumpkin. All the same. Hi, Darcy. Hello, Mary Beth. Hey, Barb. So, I did get a really cool sign from them, so I can't really complain because I love my sign and it's going to look awesome in my craft room. And you guys, before you guys say like, hi, we make signs, this is a totally different sign. It's like metal. I don't do metal. Obviously, you guys know that. I barely can keep track of myself. So, all right. So we've got Gather here, right? So we're going to cover the other Gather, which means we're going to do this actual, oh wait, hold on. Let's try to center it as best we can here. Well, that looks pretty darn good if I do say so myself. Let's go with it. Okay. So I am making sure there are no bubbles in my silk screen area. I don't feel any. And we're just going to use some white chalk paste. We're going to make this a 1, 2, 3 project tonight. Hi, Love Bug. How you doing, Donna? Yours took forever too, huh, Mare? Oh. I was looking at the RIP bag. I don't know what that is, Angela. You have to message me that. Oh, I'm so glad, Linda. Oh my goodness, Robin, you've never seen me live. Well, welcome. You get to see my craziness in person. Well, live. How fun. Yay. Thanks for joining. Hi, Nicole. How are you? Okay, so first things first, we're going to stir up our chalk paste. I'm going to go ahead and use our awesome multi-tool, and I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. I want it to be a nice yogurt-like consistency. Okay, or I like to call the white marshmallow fluff. So I have plenty on my multi-tool. I'm just going to watch this. Watch this messy Jessie maneuver here. To get it all off. Bam. Done. Okay. So now, after Bran used this last night, I decided I wanted to play with it because I realized I never use this. This is our 4-inch handled squeegee, and this is going to make this project go lightning quick. Lightning quick. Look at this. And do you see how much I used? Way too much chalk paste on this bad boy. Let's scoop some of that back in. Wow, I used way too much. Okay. Get all that excess off. We don't want to waste any. Look at it all still in place. Like, you guys, the chalk paste literally lasts forever. A little goes a really long way. That's all I can say about that. And look, that quick, we're done. We did it. Now it's time to peel and reveal. It's the best part, right? Oh, look how pretty that is. Love it. That is perfect. And look how quick and easy that was. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I missed a lot here. Hi, Ann. Hi, Shamira. Hi, Linda. Hi, Angela. How are you? Thank you for sharing, Donna. Miss Shea Flowers on dyed ones that are like 7. Oh, well, that's pretty cool, Angela. Hi, Mandy. How you doing? Hi, Jace. Hi, Karen. How are you? Okay, so are we seeing this? And let's back this up a smidge. There it goes. That way you guys can see it all. Let me get this under some water. Hello, Ka. Aw, thanks, Donna. Thank you, Missy. I'm just rinsing this off real quick. A little hard to have a water bath set up. I am knee deep in done in the camper here, so I can't put out a water bath. I can't even get a towel to wipe my hands. Hold on. Go to the bathroom here. Dry my hands off. Okay, now let's just heat this up and dry it. Hi, Bonnie. It is a wooden surface, Debbie. Hi, Bonnie. I love it too. It turned out perfect. See how easy that was? And like I said, I'm going to make this into like a lazy Susan for my dining room table. And look at that quick. It's already dry. I don't want to rub too hard because I do have wet hands. Hi, Dusty. How are you? Thank you, Darcy. Okay. Hi, Shelly. Easy peasy. Do you see that? Let's get all this white back into the jar. Whoa. Must flick that out. We don't want to do that. Close it up tight. And we're done. All right, here, let's do the mock pumpkin. The mock pumpkin will fit perfectly. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Shelly. Hi, Beth. Hi, Jess. So look, we're pretending this is the pumpkin. I'm going to stick there. Isn't it great? What kind of heater is it? And it's just an embossing gun. You can use a hairdryer. You don't need to invest in it. You can totally use your hairdryer. I just don't have a hairdryer right now, so I use that. But that's it, guys. Easy peasy project tonight. Hope you loved it. If you did, if you would be so kind as to comment and list if you're interested to know what items I used tonight. I will message you for your email address, and I will email you them. If you really liked what you saw tonight and you say, you know what, I got to get my hands on this, and I'm not already working with the Chalk Couture designer, I would love to be your designer. All you have to do is comment me down below in the comments, and I will message you the link to my VIP group. I have tons of content going through there. You can go all the way back to see my very first videos. I have specials and VIP only things that go on in there. And then if you really, really liked what you saw tonight, you can comment join down below, and I'll message you the link to my opportunity group, where... Let me come back to just me, where I have a video that I do once a month. It's updated every month, of all the reasons why you should join Chalk Couture, all about Chalk Couture, what it takes to join, and specifically what it takes to join my team. So if you're interested in that, comment join down in the comments below, and I will message you the link to my opportunity group. So that is it tonight, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this lightning quick project. Hi, Mary. Hi, Eileen. Just found this on Facebook today. How do I buy this cool stuff? Kimberly, I would love to be your designer. I will message you as soon as I am done this live, and I'll get you into my VIP group. My website is actually in the post, in the comments down below. Yes, awesome, Kim. Absolutely. I'm so excited. I'll message you. My link is in the comments. It's like one of the first comments if you scroll up. It doesn't let me pin anymore. I don't understand why. I don't know what's going on with Facebook. It doesn't let me share to a group either anymore. But yeah, you'll love it. It's so much fun. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. My brother-in-law was over this weekend. He did it. My 5-year-old nephew's done it. Super crazy easy. Easy peasy. So, I hope you guys have an awesome night. I will be back tomorrow with another lightning quick project. I hope you enjoyed tonight's, and have a great night. Take care, guys. Bye.